Hello guys, welcome back. Konnichiwa. Herzlich willkommen. So my friends, in this video I want to talk here about HIMS and HERS, health, trading on the New York Stock Exchange, ticker is HIMS, HIMS. And yeah, guys, this is here of course a short squeeze stock which performed now here in 2025, a 200% squeeze overall. We had here a bigger squeeze and I want to explain you in this video where I think are the squeeze price targets here. So I show you everything to the up and downside, all the price level information. Everything what I say here is not financial advice. This is my opinion based on the chart. Yeah, when you see here this purple or pink chart here, guys, which I overlaid in this chart pattern here for HIMS, this is the Palantir chart, guys. So Palantir has a very similar setup like HIMS. Palantir also had this kind of downwards momentum, just retraced back. I also made a couple of videos on that, and then we have here this kind of breakout trend line where we had this this bullish reversal, and then you can see Palantir starts to squeeze in these kind of waves here. Then we had this massive wave, and exactly the same pattern we have here now for HIMS. So as I said, we want to check now where are the squeeze price targets, and I have to say, guys, of course, this is a very nice bullish run over the last 2 years, but this is nothing to FOMO in. I never recommend to FOMO into stocks. Why? Because there are so many squeezing stocks in the market, and I filter them out and present them here on Patreon. We had also this week here, Monday this week, also while I'm doing this video, we have again a 79% short squeeze in the pre-market. I always post here my personal squeeze tickers on Patreon, define all the price levels here for my members. This is just a simplified screenshot here. And this was one short squeeze which we had on Monday this week, 130% after my prediction, guys. I say always where I expect the squeeze to happen. So where is the entry price level and the exit price level? I don't give any financial advices, but I show you here also for HIMS the chart patterns, how to enter and exit a short squeeze. We had here so many short squeezes in the market, guys. In the past 10 trading days, I had more than 10 short squeezes. Here is one more example. My video release on Patreon was here in the yellow line. I also predicted the squeeze date range. So when a short squeeze happens for this stock here, for example, and you can see one day after I posted this on Patreon, this ticker started to squeeze, and then in total 180%. And I can show you, yeah, guys, I can show you here much more screenshots, but I don't want to waste your time. This one here squeezed almost 300%. And of course, we talk here about days, not weeks, guys, days. So blah, 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 guys. If you want to see my short squeeze stocks here, you can, of course, join us on Patreon. The full package membership is the most popular membership which I have, where every day new members joining in, guys. Take your chance right now. You not only get access here to my short squeeze stocks and swing trade alerts, I also have here trading tutorials, member FAQ section. I answer here a lot of questions about trading, how to become an independent successful trader. So if you want to join in, guys, then you can use this link here, patreon.com/blackbelttrader. This link is also available in the video description, and by the end of this video you will find a membership explained video in the credits. So guys, let's now talk about the price action here for HIMS. We have, of course, a bullish setup. This is no doubt. But is the main squeeze already over? This is the question, right? Everybody wants to know, who is maybe still invested here in the stock. Can I still make some money, or is the party already over? And to answer that, I show you here my drawings, guys. Very simple. I don't want to overload here with too many information. We have, as usual, as for most of the stocks in the market, we're trading here in so-called trend channel patterns. So this is the trend channel pattern here for HIMS. I use the weekly chart to simplify that for you. And that does mean that our previous all-time high, which we had here back in 2021, so you can see we already had this bull market here in 2021 when every stock squeezed, guys, not only AMC and GameStop, especially if you are into short squeeze stocks or meme stocks, then everybody talking about AMC and GameStop. But this ticker here also had a very nice run here in 2020. Here from $10 we squeezed until $25. So yeah, a little bit more than 100%, 150%, nothing special, Mickey Mouse. So then we came back down. As I said, we had this bullish reversal pattern. Also very similar to Palantir. As I said, as soon as we left this pattern here, we had a breakout confirmation candle, and that was the beginning of the short squeeze. And now we are trading here in this trend channel pattern. This is very important for you guys because there are two significant price levels which you need to know. The previous all-time high was our support for the post squeeze. So we have here in the weekly chart, we have here a squeeze run from January 2025, and the peak was in February, guys. So when we now see the total squeeze range here, I mentioned that in the beginning of the video, that was 200%. Now we came back. So what usually needs to happen is we need to see a post squeeze to fulfill here the fail to delivers and so on. As I said, I have a lot of information on Patreon how to explain that, why we have these kind of post squeezes. So this is now a technical reaction. If we want to see a continuation of the squeeze, this is the most important thing what I tell you now from the beginning, before we talk about the bearish price levels. Most important price level, guys, if you want to see a short squeeze or a much bigger squeeze for HIMS, we need to break $62.50. This is an unusual event. If we squeeze out of a trend channel pattern like this is an unusual event. That's why the price dumped down. So everybody talk about maybe a 200% squeeze, but you also have to acknowledge, guys, that the price dropped 67%. This is a technical reaction. As long as we don't build higher highs, we are not in a bullish pattern. Overall, of course, yes, but we're talking here now specifically about a short squeeze. And that means if we want to short squeeze, we have to break $62.50. This was the main resistance before, and the top line of this trend channel pattern, this is of course also a strong resistance, is now at $52.89, guys. So be very careful here with FOMO. As long as we don't break out of this trend channel pattern here, that means that we have also here a very strong resistance waiting here at $52. This is of course here an ascending line, but of course in favor for the bear. So everything here between 53 and $62, guys, is territory of the bears. Everything above that can cause a short squeeze here for HYMS. And what is the short squeeze price goal, guys? I will let you know this. I calculated this based on some technicals here. $102 is the next, the next short squeeze price goal, technical short squeeze price goal for HIMS. This is what can happen, of course, and because the previous bottom was here the all-time high which we had, you can see also when we had here the first squeeze attempt after the bullish pattern here, the bullish reversal happened. Then also we got rejected here at the previous all-time high. We tried here once, 2 times, get rejected again. Very easy to see if you don't know how to spot these resistance levels. So we can see that we had here an attempt, huge massive rejection here, boom, sell off, and then this weekly candle here tried to squeeze over this price level, got rejected. We have here a huge candle wick, and then surprise, surprise, guys, a gap up confirmed the bullish breakout here. We closed this gap, found support, and then started to short squeeze. This is why if I have to buy the stock right now, I would buy this stock for $25 or lower. If we find support above $62, no FOMO, guys, this is not financial advice, but this is here a squeeze play to the $100 range. As I said, I have so many short squeeze stocks here on my channel. That's why it is not necessary for me here to FOMO in. We have squeezes after squeezes after squeezes. I just want to show you that it's never worth it to FOMO, but you can of course make here some profits if you already invested in the stock or if you are a swing trader. What happens if we get rejected now here at $62 or even before that here, $53? Then, guys, the price should come back down at least here to $34. But if I, as I said, had to buy this stock, I would not buy it above $25. $25 to $15, guys, is the bottom, is the landing zone. This is what we have technically here in the chart. So as long as this pattern here is active somewhere here in that range, $15 to $25 is the landing zone for HIMS. And that would be also, even if we don't see a short squeeze, even if the stock cannot squeeze out of this trend channel, that is a nice ping pong play here to make some profits, right? Go short, go long, go short, go long, and so on. And then you can make some profits here. And the squeeze date range or the bullish algo price range here is around 200%, guys. This is a massive trend channel pattern here and 200% profit just with a swing trade, which lasts here, of course, for some weeks, but this is here a very, very nice stock to trade for swing traders and everybody who want to maybe catch here a short squeeze. Guys, that was my video analysis for you on HIMS. I hope that was helpful, guys. If you want to copy here the price level from my chart, everything what you see here is based on TradingView. This is the chart program what I use for all my videos and all my trades. And if you also want to get that program, guys, you can save here $15 by using my discount link. This discount link is available in the video description, and the premium tier this is what I recommend here for TradingView. Guys, that was the update. I hope that was helpful. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you don't want to miss any updates, then please hit the like and subscribe button right now. Thank you so much for your support and see you in the next video. Arigato gozaimasu, vielen Dank, alles Gute und bis zum nächsten Video. Take care. Bye bye, guys.